country does Coca-Cola belong to? A. USA, B. UK, C. Canada. Correct answer is A. USA. Which animal has the largest brain in the world? A. Elephant, B. Whale, C. Dolphin. Correct answer is B. Whale. Eating the bran of which grain helps in body development? A. Wheat, B. Barley, C. Rice. Correct answer is A. Wheat. Whom did Lord Ram kill? A. Ravana, B. Kansa, C. Mahishasura. Correct answer is A. Ravana. Which animal has the strongest bones in the world? A. Elephant, B. Camel, C. Lion. Correct answer is A. Elephant. Which country has created its own sun? A. India, B. China, C. Japan. Correct answer is B. China. What is the national sport of Bhutan? A. Football, B. Archery, C. Hockey. Correct answer is B. Archery. In which Indian state does the sun rise first? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Sikkim, C. Assam. Correct answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. Who cannot be sentenced to death in India? A. People under 18 years, B. Pregnant women, C. The President. Correct answer is B. Pregnant women. Which country has the highest number of animals? A. India, B. Australia, C. Brazil. Correct answer is A. India. Which place is famous for grape cultivation? A. Nashik, B. Bengaluru, C. Agra. Correct answer is A. Nashik. Which is the tallest animal? A. Elephant, B. Giraffe, C. Camel. Correct answer is B. Giraffe. Who invented the television? A. John Logie Baird, B. Graham Bell, C. Thomas Edison. Correct answer is A. John Logie Baird. Which country is called the land of the rising sun? A. China, B. Japan, C. Korea. Correct answer is B. Japan. On the bank of which river was the Taj Mahal built? A. Yamuna, B. Ganga, C. Gomti. Correct answer is A. Yamuna. Which country was the first in the world to start a national anthem? A. Japan, B. United Kingdom, C. France. Correct answer is B. United Kingdom. Eating which food with banana can cause death? A. Egg, B. Yogurt, C. Honey. Correct answer is A. Egg. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi pass away? A. 1948, B. 1950, C. 1947. Correct answer is A. 1948. On which river is the longest road bridge located? A. Ganga River, B. Brahmaputra River, C. Godavari River. Correct answer is B. Brahmaputra River. In which state is the Mangala oil well located? A. Assam, B. Rajasthan, C. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Rajasthan.